Finplan has been a very great institute. Our faculty has been very great with us. They created a very friendly environment with us, and the overall experience with the faculty was very great. We were taken to NSE, and they created a very useful insight on the workings of the NSE, as well as they explained us how things work and indulged professionalism in us. The internship has given professional knowledge.
Help us in various workshops and events, and this has personally helped me gain credibility and expertise in the field of finance.
So various opportunities are provided to us, like a internship program or visit to NSE.
The experience has been great. Also talking about the management, they have helped us a bunch. Talking about the internship program given by Finplan in Shunyas, help us grow corporate image.
Want to have the best career in the finance? Just Finplan it.
Ready to make this your journey as a student? Join Finplan Edu today and start shaping your future.